Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for today. So OnePlus is going to reveal their most anticipated OxygenOS update version 16.1. It has lots of amazing features that we discussed in our previous video along with their timeline. You will find that video link in the iCard. One of the major change in this upcoming update is the new camera application. We got the early access to test this camera application and its new user interface. Today in this video, we'll show you the new features and the user interface of this camera application in comparison with the old OxygenOS camera application. At the end, we'll also discuss some major bugs of this camera application and how to remove it if you don't like it. So must watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. This camera application is extracted from the OPPO Find X, which received the latest ColorOS 16.1 update. The stock camera application version is 16.02. I have given the link to this APK file of the new version 16.031. You just need to install it as a normal APK, but before installation of this APK, make sure to watch the bugs and the issues section in a respective timeline of this video. Let's check out the side-by-side comparison of both the old and the new camera applications. New OxygenOS 16.1 camera has complete overhaul in a user interface. All camera modes, menus like Pro mode, video, photo, portrait, etc. are now shifted below the camera shutter button. Some expanded settings are rearranged horizontally at the top and above the camera shutter button. If you look at the old camera version, the camera mode menus are present above the white shutter button. Other options like filter, retouch, and soft touch are arranged vertically, while other settings are either in the different layout or embedded in the three-line menu button. The new camera user interface offers easier access to many settings compared to old version because of the expanded modes. The new user interface also has more slider control. The major feature of this version is that all camera mode settings can be accessible by swiping up from the bottom, while the old version had the control center at the top. Even the options like soft filter, retouch, color filters are now placed at the bottom in the new camera by hitting the shutter button and other settings, which gives the much cleaner look as compared to old camera version. Under the more option, old camera version has these options, while the new camera has added a new feature called as stickers. It's just like Snapchat with the live images while taking the pictures. A bunch of the different emojis are available in this sticker option. This feature will definitely give the funky look to your photos. These are some changes and the features of this camera version, but there are some bugs and the missing features. For example, in the old build, I had the macro photo option under the more setting. But after installing this new camera version, the macro photo option is not visible anywhere. Next is very major bug. I can't able to take photos using this camera application even if I tap the shutter button multiple times. Also, the inbuilt gallery option is not accessible in this version. I am able to take photos using the stickers and dock scanner modes. Photos taken in the sticker mode are saved and accessible via photo application. You can also use dock scanner mode to take photos. Just capture the image in the dock mode and skip the documentation conversion. It will be saved in the gallery with the good quality. Also, camera mode settings didn't have frosted glass user interface in this extracted version. Except for these bugs, I didn't find any other issues. All other features are working fine. After installing this application, you can test it, and if you don't like it, just go to the camera application setting. From the top right 3-dot menu, select uninstall updates. Your camera version will downgrade to old version and you can able to use previous camera without any bugs. Except for the photo mode issue, everything else is very good in this new OxygenOS 16.1 camera, especially its user interface. That's all for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.